Hello seniors, I'm Arya, your digital daughter, and I am here to show you how to join an exclusive social club for seniors in the UnlockLife app. Open the UnlockLife app and tap on the social club option on the right. From entertainment and learning to fitness and wellness, every month we will bring to you new and fun things to do. Our social club consists of a cinema hall, workshops and games hub. Tap on cinema hall. Now in playing, we have the movies that are live. And if you tap on upcoming, you will be able to see the movies that are releasing every Friday. Now tap on go back and then tap on workshops. In our upcoming tab, we have the list of workshops that will be conducted in August. And in our archives tab, we have the workshop that were conducted in July. To register them, tap on any. For example, cute coaster making with Vidhi. Now tap on register now. And then enter your phone number. After that, tap on confirm and you will be registered. Now tap on go back and then tap on games hub. Here is the list of games that we bring to you every Friday to register for. Follow the same method, that is tap on any, for example Bollywood quiz with Soumya, and then tap on register now. Share your number and we will send details about joining the event via phone and WhatsApp to you. We will share a link before the activity's date and time so you can easily join in. You can also invite your friends and family. Just tap on invite friends and family and share the link. Dear seniors, we welcome you to the social club at UnlockLife created just for you. We hope this was helpful. In case you need more assistance, do call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411. Thank you for trusting us. See you again soon.